So it's auction day on Saturday and I'm going to go and try and get some new tack. But first today I want to set up 4 saddles, bridles, make sure everyone has stirrup leathers, stirrups, make sure all the bridles are in working order, there's no snaps or anything on them, no snags, no tears. Just basically so I have 4 complete sets. We only ever ride 4 horses in the arena at once. So basically set up 4 chairs, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to let Delilah, the baby donkey, out of her stall, and we'll see how that goes, whether she even comes out. But I have a couple of mares in just now. I have Willow and Win, and of course we have Dominick. So he'll be here, and then I'll just open this door here, and then we'll see if she's going to come out. She's currently over there, right? And wander around, and this will be her more official meeting of Dominick, but still with a boundary. So got to take it really slowly. Got to make sure that they get along and that everything is good, right? Before you go off into your paddock for your Zoomy sessions. So I've opened the door and I've put a little pile of hay there to see if I can tempt her out. When I went up after I'd opened the door, when I'd got the hay, she was just standing by the open door. So we'll see. I'll set it to record and just see what happens. You did a good job. You bolted out of there. You were too fast for me. I couldn't press record. You silly sausage. What are you going to do now? You're hanging out with Willow. You're supposed to go meet Dominick, remember? Look at him. He's over there. His little ears are there. His big ears. He's waiting to say hello. Isn't he? Silly. See if I can herd you back down that way. You're just going to hang out with Willow. Silly sausage.